everyone. I've been away, I've been moving place, and now I'm almost settled, so I'm gonna start doing my little daily videos again. And today I'm gonna show you a dirty car. Yeah, so this is a 1.8 buggy from Serpent with the Team C Dakar VW body on it, which obviously needs a bit of washing. The tape here is for I mount the camera when I play with it last time. So that's the body I'm running it with, and this is the car. So originally that was the ready-to-run Cobra nitro buggy from Serpent that I run as a nitro for a while, and I have designed the parts to convert it to electric because I get really tired of fiddling with the nitro engine and having to go pick up the car, restart the engine and so on. So electric is easier, the speed is actually much better now, flies super well. And so let me show you what I did to that car. So as you can see, that was the nitro chassis, the flywheel was here, engine was here. Pretty much the car, except for the wheels, all of the chassis is stuck, the shocks are stuck. I think this ready-to-run chassis is really good. It's super high quality compared to the Inferno or other things. I haven't broken a single thing on this car, and I've been beating the heck out of it, driving it around on the track and just bashing it. And so now I have converted it to electric, so you can see it's way simpler on the inside. Super light, not super light, it's super heavy, but it's visually light. So kept the diff in the center with the wheel, and I've designed a motor mount and another mount for the diff to get rid of the braking system, the braking pads. And so this is printed in ABS, the original cover for it, and then the motor mounted to it. And so that's using all the existing hole for the original diff and brake assembly that was here, and then using once again all the existing holes in the chassis, I've redesigned a servo mount. And so the servo is pretty much at the center. It's got the same, I can go full lock with it. I'm using a Trackstar for 1.8, I'm not sure what. It's a pretty torquey, pretty quick servo. No servo, there is a servo saver here, so aluminium horn. I'm using a 4.5 turn 550 can censored brushless from Trackstar as well, and an X-Car 150 amp 1.8 ESC, and I'm running it with those X90 on the 3S hard stick, the same I'm using on my other 1.8, the GT Dew. And so this is just a battery mount that I get from somewhere online, a cheapy battery mount. You can find, I'll give the link to all the parts here are available on my Grabcad, so you can just get them if you have a printer, if you want to print them, and they come with a battery mount originally. It's just the one I had when I slammed the chassis to the ground, the one I had broke, and I had this one around, so I replaced by this. Is just better than the printed one because this is flexing a lot. The batteries are pretty heavy, those cars jump. And so yeah, I've been running it, I run it sometime with the original body and the wing, but I like to run it with the Dakar one. And so what I did to mount the Dakar body is I got those body mounts for the slash from Proline. The rear from Proline, the front I think are from Traxxas, or maybe, yeah, I guess they're Traxxas. And so yeah, super simple. I just replaced some hole on it, cut the back because the body is like 90-degree angle at the back, and so this is for the back, and the front is just regular. Oh, why this cable is in the way. Alright, still getting used to this place. And so here you go, this is my 1.8 EP buggy. Super cool. I think those Serpent Cobra are super high value for money for the ready to run versions. I just prefer the electric, so I went I went doing the change. And so here it is. I'll put back this disgusting body on it if I can find. Alright, and so here you go. And maybe before I close, let me give you a little run around the new place, because I'm gonna figure out how to make a little studio later to make more videos. But so at the moment, you see, I get, those are all my track chassis. This is brand new. Those have been test subjects. This one is with a straight axle and super stock wheels and tires. This is my CRC pan car. I got a old automatic A700 Evo 2. This is my Proto 112. I'm gonna have some stuff about this car soon again. This is my Schumacher super stocks that I'm running as a go-kart. And then over here I got the Wall of Doom with the Proline buggy, the WRC GT Dew, that's my son's car, and then I get my front wheel drive, the FF custom made that I showed last time. I'll do a video on this one soon. This is my TRF 102, but I Lotus 7 version. TO3 Dancing Rider. This is another one of my trike, but with a B2B body, and this is the sidecar that I showed last time from Hunter Racing. Team C Racing 1.8 long wheelbase. This is where this puppy goes. Here I got my MST CFX. This is a custom made crawler. I'll do a video about this next time. A Yokomo body, Yokomo original, the RR version of the pan car, custom as well. This is another custom 112 I've did with the Repro Lola body from Tamiya, the Spada I did last time. This is my Edam touring chassis, FF MST TCR. That's my other M size FF chassis I did last time. This is my drifting chassis from MST, the RMX 2.0. My hot rods, my four-wheel drive custom pan car. Then I got a TT01 hot rod, where I'm gonna make a video on as well soon, because this one is pretty cool. My Morgan, my F103 GT old 50s F1, and then I have the Phoenix Racing Classic, a classic I've made by myself, which is a 3D printed body. And this is my pan car with the CRC tires I did a video on last time. And so here you go. I'm gonna settle. This is going to be where I'm gonna shoot more videos when I'm done setting the place. And here you can see in the mess I got my vacuum form machine and my 3D printers, and then just a couple of hand tools. And yep, here you go. So said goodbye to Lady Dirt. See? You see. Bye. Stay safe. See you next time. Bye bye.